Hi student, I am Syed Rashid. Like I said you that I will going to visit you about the chemistry lab in our college and school. So mainly this our lab deal with 3 subjects like botany, zoology and chemistry for intermediate like MPC and BPC. For 10th level also we are taking few experiment in the lab. So come on student, this is our entrance of our chemistry, zoology and botany lab. As you can see many equipments here, like you can see the microscopes. Okay, apart from this you have few things related to like botany and zoology. Coming to the next part, this part you can see few chemicals on the decks, and like this you have few chemicals with us. After that we have few equipments which we are using here, like we have test tube with us, and we have few acids, base and salts. So usually we have our famous acid is hydrochloric acid. I have keep ready this acid. As you can see the concentration of this acid like 35 to 38%, and we have base like NaOH. As of now I don't have NaOH with me, so I am taking a base like potassium hydroxide like KOH. So with the help of this acid and base we can do many experiment, as well as we need some metals also to do the experiment. In metal we have lot many metals like lead, copper, zinc, etc., etc., iron. So I have few metals with me, like you can see I have iron metal fillings here. Okay, I will going to open and show you iron metal filling. How is it? You can see here, look at this. I have some copper strip also, as you can see the copper strip with me. So the aim to bring you in my lab is I want to show you few experiment related to our lesson acid, bases and salt. In acid, bases and salt we have many experiment, like first neutralization reaction, second we have like reaction of acid with metal, third we have like reaction of base with metal, and we have experiment like a reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate is nothing but sodium carbonate Na2CO3, and reaction of acid with sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is metal hydrogen carbonate. This type of experiment we have with us. So few experiment I want to show you live, that's why I bring you. So first I think we will going to do experiment like neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction, student? I will explain this neutralization reaction separately in our theory classes, but for experimentally the simple thing of neutralization reaction is nothing but when acid react with base we will get two things, salt and water. This is known as neutralization reaction. Here I am taking for neutralization reaction acid as HCl, as you can see, and base as sodium, not sodium, we have to take sodium hydroxide as per our reader, but as of now I have base like KOH, potassium hydroxide. So from this I will going to show you the neutralization reaction. Okay, so for that I am taking test tubes. Here I am taking like 2 test tube with me. After taking 2 test tube we need to clean this test tube. Okay, after taking the water in this test tubes I am just putting few drops of hydrochloric acids. As you can see, as you can see I have 3 test tubes with me. 2 test tube consist of water, whereas 1 test tube is empty. The test tube which consists of water, in that I am just putting few drops of HCl. As you can see, this process is nothing but dilution. Okay, when we are adding water and acid, this is known as dilution. This is also one of our topic in our 10th class. Okay, what happen if acid added to water? It gives the like aqua solution and ions, and I am adding few base in water also. This is nothing but process of dilution. So we have two things with us, like dilute HCl and dilute potassium. What is this? Potassium hydroxide. Two things we have. Now I am showing you the neutralization reaction, as I clean the test tube just now only. So the reaction which I am going to show you is called as neutralization reaction, and this reaction is nothing but when acid react with base we will get salt and water, that is corresponding salt and water. As you can see here, this is an acid, okay, that is HCl I added. Okay, hope you can see. So after adding the HCl I am adding drops of NaOH. Look at this. After adding NaOH I am just checking the like test tube as you can see. So, for after few seconds you might have seen few very little crystals bottom of this test tube. I can see from my eyes, I do not know it is coming in your visualization or not, I do not know, but wait for few seconds. Like I am shaking the test tube, you can see the crystals of salt. This is nothing but when HCl plus KOH give rise to like KCl, potassium chloride and water H2O. Look at this students, when I am shaking you can see the crystals also, okay, and after stop shaking you can see the crystals fast. So, this is nothing but neutralization reaction. Now, I am just keeping this test tube aside. So, once again I have like HCl and potassium hydroxide with me. I am taking one more test tube for experimental purpose. Same process, I am cleaning this test tube with the help of concentrated HCl, as this test tube is kept uncleaned before. ये जो टेस्ट ट्यूब है पहले आपको अनक्लीन रखा हुआ था, तो मैं इसको क्लीन करने के लिए थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl डाल रहा हूँ ताकि अच्छे से क्लीन हो जाए. नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द एक्सपेरिमेंट रिएक्शन ऑफ एसिड विथ मेटल. So, in our reader we are taking acid as HCl as usual and metal as zinc, but as of now I do not have zinc with me. So, I can take as iron, okay. Reaction of acid with metal means reaction of hydrogen chloride with irons, okay. So, for that what I am doing, you can see this actually this thing you can do with the help of dilute HCl only, but here I am directly using concentrated HCl. Why I am using concentrated HCl means you will get the experiment good, that is why. Now, I am taking this test tube by blowing the air. You can see the iron filling in this. Now, I am putting few iron granules in it, okay. So, hope you can see the iron granule in it. So, iron, after putting the iron granules, I am putting the concentrated HCl. Make sure that while you are using HCl, you have to be under your guidance of your teacher or under surveillance of your teacher only, okay. So, I am just putting concentrated HCl in this, as you can see. So, after putting concentrated HCl, you can see the reaction also. Look at the test tube, all of student. There is then salt and water. After few, you can see the clear reaction that salt crystals is here. The salt is nothing but ferric chloride. We need to just keep few seconds here. You can see the reaction clearly, hope. So, this is nothing but reaction of acid with metal, and the reaction will be when acid react with metal, it gives corresponding salt and hydrogen gas, okay. Corresponding salt and hydrogen gas. You can, if you are just putting some matchstick means it will burn with pops on. As of now I do not have matchstick with me, you can see this, okay. So, this is reaction of acid with metal. So, we have lot many things to do here, but I think 2 experiment as of now enough. Later on any time I will take to this lab on any circumstances, but as of now this is all enough related to our lab, okay. Thank you student having a visit to our lab. Have a great day. I am Syed Rashid.